Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Holy Bible application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. Holy Bible application helps you to customize your Bible with highlights, bookmarks and public or private notes. You can access everything online or download select versions to use offline. You can read, study, and share it with your friends as well. You can enjoy honest conversations about faith in trusted community using this application. Here you can grow together every day with your friends, sharing your discoveries and create shareable art, add scriptures with the verses to your photos. Now to download your Holy Bible application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. The home page of Play Store will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on search box at the top of the page. On the search bar, enter Holy Bible and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, click on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. This is how you can download the Holy Bible application on your device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more tutorials on the upcoming video. Also, press the bell icon to receive all the information and updates about Tech Infosys. Thank you so much for watching.